You've been told that success is about what you start doing. But that is a lie. You can't fly a plane if the anchor is still hooked to the ground. Most of you aren't failing because you lack talent. You are failing because you are carrying weight you were never meant to hold. There are 7 specific habits, 7 anchors, that are dragging your soul into the dirt. If you don't cut these chains today, you aren't just wasting time, you are defying the laws of the Creator. God didn't design you to be a slave to your impulses. He designed you to be the architect of a kingdom. Here is the divine protocol. 7 things you must stop doing immediately. Stop seeking permission. Stop waiting for a green light from people who have never even left the parking lot. In Joshua 1:9, God didn't ask for a consensus. He gave a command. Be strong and courageous. If you are waiting for everyone to agree with your vision, you have already made them your God. Stop asking for permission to be great. Stop protecting your comfort. Comfort is the graveyard of potential. Nehemiah had to leave the luxury of the king's palace to stand in the rubble of Jerusalem. You cannot build a wall if you are afraid of getting your hands dirty. If you choose safety over sacrifice, you've already signed your death warrant for mediocrity. Stop entertaining arsonists. Stop letting people into your life who carry matches while you are trying to build a wooden fortress. Proverbs 13:20 warns that the companion of fools suffers harm. If your circle doesn't challenge your growth, it is accelerating your decay. You cannot reach a divine destination with earthly anchors. Stop the midnight mourning. Stop crying over the ruins of your yesterday. When Lot's wife looked back at the burning city, she became a pillar of salt, frozen in time. If you keep looking at what you lost, you will never see what God is trying to build. Look forward, or stay stuck in the ash. Stop half-hearted labor. Colossians 3:23 tells us, "Work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord." If your work is sloppy, you are insulting the Creator who gave you the breath to do it. Stop doing just enough to get by. Mediocrity is a sin against your own potential. Stop blaming the famine. Joseph didn't complain about the famine, he prepared for it. Stop blaming the economy, your parents, or your boss. The seed doesn't care about the weather, it cares about the soil. You are the soil. If you are barren, it's because you didn't plant when it was easy. Stop hiding your talent. The servant who buried his talent out of fear was called wicked and lazy. Fear is not a virtue, it is a cage. Stop waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time is a myth. The only time you have is now.